What's up, folks? Hey, man. We're out here on the I-29 northbound, headed towards Sioux City. And we ran ourselves into a snowstorm. Fueling station here shut down because there's no power. And as you can tell, parking lot full of trucks. Yeah. Hirschback. Yeah, so we're just hanging out, man. Hope everybody's safe out there. And yeah, we're just doing what we gotta do. Keep doing what you gotta do. And I'll keep doing what I'm doing. Because it's working. Hopefully this storm will pass and the I-29 will open back up.